Okay, Jaden, what is the before that, let me ask you this question. Visual text for PSLE, how many questions, how many marks? Anybody? Visual text, PSLE, how many questions, how many marks? No one? No one? I'm pretty sure I've said this before. It is 8 questions, 8 marks. By the way, your visual text for this week is so easy. It's like P3 standard, in my opinion. It's very, very easy. You will never have so easy visual text for PSLE, okay? But there's a thing, visual text. Now, vocabulary cloze, this one's also a bit tricky for some of you, so I'll explain the meaning of words later. But for now, can you tell me how many questions, how many marks? Yes, Jakai?
5 questions, 5 marks.
Yes, good. Give yourself a point. Well done. And open-ended comprehension. How many questions, how many marks? Anybody? Nobody? Oh, come on. Ziren? Victoria types 10. Is it 10 marks or 10 questions, Victoria? Unmute yourself. Don't type in the chat. I rarely see the chat. Yes. Sorry, 10 questions. Yes, you're right. It's 10 questions and it's 20 marks. And the marks are distributed across the questions. So some questions can be 3, 4, some is 2, some is 1. Okay. Yes. Well done. Give yourself a point. Oh, by the way, when you give yourself a point, write down the number of points at the end. Total up, I will add on Class Dojo. Right. So, okay, let's start with visual text. Who wants to choose my pen color? Oh, are you all happy with gold? Oh, yes, Ziren?
The galaxy.
Okay. The galaxy it is. Okay. Here we go. Let's start with, okay, so this one you've already read. Was there any difficult questions and difficult words? I don't think there's any difficult words. It's pretty straightforward and easy. So I'm going to go through this very briefly, very quickly, because most of you got all the questions right, except for 4. Except for question 4. So let's look at the first one first. Let me spin my wheel. Orange. Who's orange? Orange is... I forgot who's orange. No, orange wasn't chosen, right? Yeah, orange was the color that was not chosen by anybody, if I'm not wrong. Yes, I'm right. Okay, so I will choose. Jaden, what's the answer for question number 1? What is the main purpose?
3.
Sorry?
3. C.
Yes, good. Okay, so encourage more people to donate blood. Yes. Okay, I need to explain because all you got it right. So let's move on to the next one. Tell me to stop, Jaden.
Stop.
Purple. Purple is Emma. What is the answer to this, Miss Emma Watson?
A.
Yes, very good. Oh, by the way, Jaden gives herself a point and Emma gives herself a point. Yes, you're right. The answer is A. Also very straightforward. So I need to explain. Okay, let me spin my wheel and Emma will tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Orange is me. I will choose Victoria. What is the answer to 3? For question 3?
D.
Yes, D. You're right. Why do you say the answer like so you're not sure? Yes, you're right. Okay, it's China. That's where it's taking place. Give us a point. You see? The venue, right? This is the venue. So yes, that is where it's taking place. Good. And tell me when to stop, Victoria. Oh, you said stop, but I saw your mouth, but I didn't hear you because you muted yourself. But it's red. Red is Jakai. Okay, this is the question that some of you got wrong. But anyway, Jakai, tell me the answer first.
A.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now, some of you gave me the answer as C. Which of the following statements about the blood donation is false? Meaning it's not true, right? This one is organized by the China Square Central. Yes, Jakai, your hand was raised. You want to say something? Oh no. Yes, why is C not false? It's true. Let's look at the... Can you see organized by China Square Central? I mean, it's literally there, right? And the venue is also at that place. The organizer is also the same. So that's why the answer is not that. So this one is true, right? Of course, this is true, right? And the clue here is can, right? And they never say will, okay? And starts at 2 p.m. Yes, you saw that's not the timing, it's 2 to 5, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, 2 to 6, sorry, 2 to 6. So this one is also true. The only one that is not true is that the fact that only elderly people can attend, right? Anyone can attend. So this one is false. So this one, that's why the answer is A. Everything else is correct. Always do elimination method if you're not sure. Okay, let's do question number 5. You will tell me to stop, Jakai. By the way, give yourself a point for the answer.
Stop.
Yes, blue. Blue is Jaden. Okay, what is the answer, Jaden?
B.
Yes, this is so easy. Okay, it's literally there, right? You see 1.8%. Where is it here? 1.8%. Only 1.8%. Where is it? Did I skip the question? No, I did not. Okay. Next question, the last question. Tell you to stop, Jaden.
Stop.
Purple, Emma. What is the answer to this? What is the duration? Means how long, right? How long this whole thing is going to last. So what's the duration?
B.
Yes, B, very good. It's 4 hours, right? So how do you know it's 4 hours? Because it's 2 to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 4 hours. Okay, so that's the time is, sorry. It's 4 hours because here, time. All right. Hello, my slide is sleeping. Oh, there's still some more question. Sorry, I skipped question 7. Okay, 7. Tell me when to stop, Emma.
Stop.
Blue. Who's blue? Jaden. Wow, Jaden, you keep getting yourself. What's the answer for number 7, Jaden?
A.
Yes, very good. This question also some of you wrote something else. Yes, the answer is A because you're finding more information, right? And if you look at the here, you see here in a very tiny font here, right? Visit blah 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 blah. This one, right? The website. So that's where you get the answer from. Good. Tell me to stop, Jaden.
Stop.
Yellow. Yellow is no one, right? Let me see. Who hasn't gone? Oh no, yellow is someone. Yellow is yellow is Victoria. Okay, Victoria, what is the answer for number 8?
C.
C, yes. Okay, this is what you need to bring, right? So easy. I can't take how easy this is, but anyway, yes. You see here, I see the first line, right? So I'm glad that most of you got it right. All the questions right. So these are the answers. Let's move on to vocabulary close, which was a bit more challenging. Who wants to change my pen color? Yes, Jaden.
Red.
Is it the red and black?
Yeah.
Okay. The red and black it is. Okay, let's look at vocabulary close. I am going to spin and I am going to stop. And it's not okay. It's Jaden. What's the answer for the first one?
D.
Yes, the answer is D. But before that, right? Can you tell me what is swerved?
Huh?
What is the meaning of swerved? What does this word mean? Do you know? I mean, you told me the answer is D, so you should know, right? What do you think it is?
It means change to direction.
Yeah, you change direction abruptly. The keyword is abruptly, right? Suddenly, right? So you're changing direction. Yes, give yourself a point. Abruptly means suddenly, okay? And so the answer is D because that's what weird means, okay? Weird means weird has 2 meanings. One, you can say you change direction suddenly. But if I say weird away, right? If I use the word with away, then it means something else. For example, I'm talking to you. Suddenly, why do you veer away from the topic? Means you change topic. Okay, so if it's in a conversation and you suddenly talk something else, we're all talking about watermelons. Suddenly talk about orange. So you veer away from the topic, which means you change topic. So, but of course, in this context, it doesn't mean you change topic. It just means you change direction suddenly. I'm just letting you know there's 2 meanings. Okay. Now, weaved. Some of you actually gave me the answer is weaved. So I want to know, what does weave mean? Do you all know what does weave mean? Since some of you gave me this answer. You know what? Yes, Ziren?
Is it keep moving to avoid obstacles or you bump into?
Are you telling me the meaning for weaved?
Yeah.
Weaved, as in you're telling me the meaning for A, is it? Oh, okay, good try. No, if that's what it means, right, then that will be the answer, correct? But that's not the answer, because this swept means you change direction abruptly. Gives a point for trying. Now weave, when you are knitting, suddenly there's a pattern like looks like this, then you go up and down, up and down, up and down. Like you weave, you go in and up, in and up. That's weaving. Like a basket that is weaved, that means you're weaving, you're knitting basically. So one meaning of weave is to knit, right? Another meaning is to make up. For example, right? He weaves colorful cinematic plots. That means he makes up very nice storylines in movies. Okay, so he makes up. You make up something. You weave something means you make up. You make it up. Okay, so that's two meanings of it. Okay, now zoom. You should know what that is, right? If you use a phone, a camera, I'm zooming in means I'm going close up, right? Close up. That is one meaning of zoom, right? Close up. To take a close-up shot. Okay, it also means to move or travel very quickly. The car zoomed past me means to just travel very quickly. That's another meaning, to move very quickly, right? Endless means it doesn't end, right? It means countless. There's no end to it, right? So the only one here that means to change direction, right? Abruptly is D. So that's why the answer here is D. And the clue here is what? Because it left the runway, right? It's here to left the runway. So it's no longer going towards where it's heading towards. That's the clue. So that's the answer. Thank you. Let me spin, and Jinan, tell me to stop.
Stop.
Purple. Emma, what is the answer for number 7?
Is it D?
Yes, the answer is D. Now, can you tell me what does headed mean?
Headed is move.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Gives a point for the answer. And what is the clue here? Where is it going? It's going onto the muddy field, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So yes, the answer is you said D, right? Drifted. Now let me explain, because they're all very close in meaning. Because headed means you're going in a particular direction, right? Right. You're basically going where in a particular direction. So if this direction is where you're going, you continue going there. Move just means to go. It doesn't emphasize anything, right? It just means go. Rose means you wake up, right? You get up, right? And rose up from bed. Okay, it's a past tense of rise, right? So the past tense of rise is rose. Face means, okay, face has two meanings. Literally, it just means I'm looking at something, right? I'm faced, right? In the front of it, the front view. Another meaning of face means what? Confront. You need to face this obstacle in order to grow. Okay, for example. Or you need to face can also means to deal with. Okay, you need to face this unpleasant situation. Okay, that means it's unpleasant. It's nothing you want to do, but you have to confront it. You have to face it in order for you to come out of it. That's what it means. Drifted is used. The reason why it cannot be moved, because move also means headed, right? Why is the answer not A? Even though it's very similar to the meaning headed, right? Why is the answer not A? Because some of you wrote the answer as A. It's because the clue here is muddy field. Muddy is liquid, right? Drifted is used for movement either in air or water. And muddy field, mud is liquid, right? So the more closer word will be drifted, okay? And of course, drifted means carried away slowly, right? You're carried slowly, okay? Either by air or water. So the clue here is muddy field. That's why it's drifted and not moved, even though they're very close in meaning. Thank you, Emma. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, green, finally. Green, Ziren.
Is it A?
Yes, it is A. What does delay mean?
Delay means you wait and wait and wait.
Yes, late, right? Delay literally means late, right? So why is the answer D? Sorry, A. Why is the answer A?
Because promptly means you do it immediately.
Yes, very good.